as you know, there was a flyer in the paper a couple weeks ago about Mike, voted for the business tax surcharge. Now he wants to repeal it. Well, sure, I want to repeal it because I didn't want to vote for it in the first place. Doesn't mean it has to stay there forever just because you voted for it once, and it is a bad tax. And what we need to do now we have more time is look for other alternatives and the way to handle that. And the way you can do that is not by creating another tax. You can actually start cutting some services and living within your means and giving that tax break or taking that surcharge off their back, because everybody knows, Republicans and Democrats know that in fact it's all about jobs, jobs, jobs. You take that 23% surcharge off these businesses, they have a little breathing room, even though the economy's bad, then they can start looking at, maybe start hiring one or two and growing their business a little bit. Slowly, but maybe start growing their business. And with that surcharge on there, they never will. There's no way they can. What I would do is phase out the business tax surcharge. And I think that would help businesses, and so that's the very first point of the Jobs First, Jobs Now program. The next step is retraining the workers that we have that did lose their jobs. You have people that I know, a ton of them, my age group, they're in their 50s, can't retire yet, but they've lost their jobs. But they had that job for 20, 25 years, or just shy of retirement where they could afford it. And some of them have 30 years, 35 years, then you can retire, whatever their plan happens to be where they were working. But they didn't make it, and they got laid off before that. And that's all they've done all their life, all their adult life. And so they don't have the new skills that are needed, because you go to these other jobs, you have all this computerization, digitalization of even machining tool die shops. I mean, they're very sophisticated pieces of machinery now that have computer components and a computer basically that you have to set up and program and set the variables and what you want to do and when you want the cutter to cut it, and et cetera, et cetera. It's very technical. So the second portion of my Jobs First, Jobs Now is to make sure that we retrain those workers so that we give them the job skills to be able to, once the economy turns around, they'll have the job skills set and ready to be employed and can jump in and be employed and start producing. Battle Creek, in this area, Calhoun County does a very good job, as well as I've learned Jackson County does a very good job of working with their community college. And when they're working with their community college, they work with the job providers in the area. In Battle Creek, they work with the job providers out in Fort Custer, all the organizations out there. And in Jackson, they're in the downtown area, surrounding area. And Jackson Community College has an excellent program for retraining people and getting them back on their feet and getting them the job skill set that they need to get employed again. People aren't here to look for a handout. They're hurting. They don't want a handout. All they want to do is be able to go work give a hard day's work for a good day's pay, and provide for their families. That's the answer. Everybody knows it. And so, like I said, the second point is give them the job skills and the job training that they're going to need for the next generation of jobs, because they've lost their job and they've been doing the job for the last 20, 25 years, and they're not ready and aren't eligible for retirement yet.